Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal mobile app, secure method step by step clearly. Open your mobile device and locate the Navy Federal mobile app. If you haven't already installed the app, go to your device's app store and download it. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the app's main screen, you will see the login fields. Enter your username in the designated space. Make sure to input it carefully to avoid any errors. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, tap on the appropriate link for recovery options. Once you are ready, look for the login button and tap it. Wait for the app to process your information. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, review your username and password for accuracy. For added security, consider enabling biometric login if your device supports it. This feature allows you to log in using your fingerprint or face recognition. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal security. If you experience continued issues logging in, you may want to contact Navy Federal Customer Support for assistance. By following these steps, you can securely access your Navy Federal account through the mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.